Hi, my name's Ray, and in today's video we're going to talk about a topic that's getting a lot of people really excited right now, machine learning. Now you might have heard the term thrown around a lot, but what exactly is machine learning and why is everyone so excited about it? Let's start with the basics. What exactly is machine learning? Well, in simple terms, machine learning is a field of computer science that allows computers to learn and make predictions on their own without being explicitly programmed. There are three main types of machine learning: supervised learning, unsupervised learning, and reinforcement learning. But for the purposes of this video, we're just going to focus on supervised learning. Supervised learning is when we train a model on a labelled dataset, and then we use that model to make predictions on new, unseen data. For example, let's say we have a dataset of 1,000 images of cats and dogs, and we've labelled each image as either a cat or a dog. We use this labelled dataset to train a machine learning model, which then learns to recognise the features that make up either a cat or a dog. So how is this actually used in the real world? One example is image recognition, which is a type of problem that's well suited to supervised learning. Let's say you have a photo app on your phone, and you want to sort your photos into different categories like sunset photos, family photos, or cat photos. To do this, you could use a machine learning algorithm to automatically classify each photo based on its content. The algorithm would learn from the labelled dataset that you provide and then use that knowledge to make predictions on new unseen photos. Another example is fraud detection, where a machine learning algorithm can be trained on a dataset and then used to detect potential fraud in real-time transactions. A financial institution can then use the dataset to train a machine learning algorithm, which then learns to recognise patterns and anomalies that are indicative of fraud. If a transaction matches the patterns and anomalies that the algorithm has learned to associate with fraud, it can be flagged for a manual review, allowing the financial institution to take action more quickly and effectively. So we've now seen some real-world examples of machine learning, but as with any new technology, there are also some challenges and ethical considerations to keep in mind as machine learning becomes more widespread. For example, we need to ensure that the algorithms are fair and unbiased, and that the data used to train them is protected and secure. To wrap up, machine learning is a rapidly growing field that has the potential to revolutionise the way we interact with technology and data. From image recognition to fraud detection, the applications of machine learning are vast and varied, and it's an exciting time to be part of this field. Whether you're a programmer, a data scientist, or simply someone who's interested in technology, it's an area that's well worth exploring and understanding. If you would like to learn more about machine learning, there are plenty of online resources available, including courses, tutorials, and articles. Thank you for watching today's video. I hope you enjoyed the content, and if you would like to learn a little bit more, please check out some of the books that are in the description below this video. Thanks again, bye for now.